Yo, what is up YouTube? What is good? I am back again for another review, and you should already know what it is. Like I say every time, I was talking about these last week on my last video. If you watched my last video that I did on the Muni Fast Pass SBs, you would see that I was talking about picking these up. And I've been waiting on these pretty much since last year I first seen them. These have been pretty much on everybody's most anticipated list that I've seen so far. I mean, it seems like these are pretty much one of the in the running, I guess you could say, for this SB Dunk of the Year. It seems kind of a bland year so far, so hopefully we get some more bangers coming out soon. But I did pick these up locally, so I'm not doing an unboxing today. I did pick these up this morning. Not really locally, but less than an hour away from me. And I did get these from my skate shop. Shout outs to them. But anyways, but knowing it's a skater, Nike skater shoe, it is going to be in that purple box here, the GR box. Every skater comes in, or every skater shoe comes in this box. But let's see what so name on the tag there, it is Spring Black Bright Spruce, and I did pick these up from Good Times Skate Shop for $140. And it's crazy because me and my boy, we pulled up to the skate shop kind of at the same time, and we're literally the only two guys there. And pretty much when they opened up the shop, just us two were there, and we got our pairs and we got out. And I didn't see anybody else, so I don't know if they sold out yet. I know they throw their shoes online after noon, so I'm pretty sure they probably threw them up online already and probably sold out. But if you didn't get these in store, I think online was a little bit harder to get, just because everyone was trying to get these online. But yeah, I got mine. That's all I care about. But like I said, 10.5 my size. Did pick these up for $140. And of course, with your Nike SB GRs, they have the regular white and green GR paper. And here's the shoe. Well, bam! There it is. Check that out. Let me pull this out. So I haven't, sorry about that, just had a minor phone call interruption. But anyways, like I was saying, I haven't gotten a chance to lace these up yet. I just got these, I mean, I didn't really relace them up, I just kind of like spread these laces out on this shoe, because the shoe was like all tied up super tight. But of course, you know, you have your Nike SB sticker with every shoe. Let me get this one here. Let me do a little quick close-up of the shoe. Here is the shoe. So I haven't really laced these up yet. I haven't did my mink oil on it yet, so it looks still a little ashy. You can kind of see the ashy black a little bit, but that is the shoe there. What is that shoe looking like on camera? So let's go over some of the details here. But of course, you know, this is going to be your black suede. It has your black suede on the mid panel here. It has it on the Nike swoosh. So on this snake pattern here, it has the texture of a snake pattern, but this is more of like this looks more kind of like a leather leather-esque type of material. It's not really snake skin. It's painted to look that way, but it does have the texture of kind of like snake skin. And you can feel the texture on it. I'm not gonna lie, the snake skin, I wasn't really too fond of the snake skin when I first seen it last year. Over time, it kind of grew on me. You can see there. So it does have that, it's like a fucking diamondback dubray on there with the teeth. Little rattlesnake on there. That's pretty sick. I like the dubray on there. Looks cool. And then let's see. So we have the all black sole, the midsole even on the bottom. On the bottom, it does have that purple phylon. And on the tongue, you do have the black tongue with the black laces. And on the lace aglets, they are purple on the black laces. But I know there is another second black lace. I'll go over that in a second. So you do have that, like that teal, aqua bluish, greenish Nike SB, and it does say Deshawn Jordan on under the Nike SB there. And on the back side, it does have that. It's like that the diamondback rattlesnake on there. On the back of the tongue, let me make sure there's nothing under that. There's nothing there. Let me get this insole out. If I can pull out the insoles. And I'm pretty sure both insoles are the same. Yeah. Or no, actually, they're both different. Let me pull the other one out too. So, there's one. I will be going over the spare laces here in a second too. Let me get the stickers off. I hate these stickers because they always, if you don't take them off when you first get the shoe and you wear it with those stickers on, it's going to leave that sticky crap all over the bottom of your insoles and it's going to be sticky forever. But anyways, here are the insoles, and you can kind of see there it has that, it looks like the Don't Tread on Me snake. In the background, you can see it has a D and J for his initials, Deshawn Jordan. So you see that snake there, kind of highlighted behind the letter there, in that purple and teal color. And I think I said this before, purple and teal is like one of my favorite colors on a shoe. I really like the colorway. I've always liked the colorway. I haven't laced this shoe yet at all, so you can see. I mean, this shoe wasn't as bad as this shoe when I first opened it out the box. It was like super tight, squeezed together. Like who the hell laces their shoes like that? But anyways, so there's really not any differences between either shoe on both pairs. They're both the same, other than the insoles, but you do have a wide variety of lace options, which is pretty cool. You do have the purple laces, and the purple laces have this like teal lace tip on the aglets. On the teal laces, it has, let me see. So you can kind of see the teal on this one, on that purple there. And then on this one, you can see the purple on the teal. Pull it out. You can see it there. And on the orange, you have purple as well. Purple aglet on the orange. And honestly, I think my favorite is these black ones because it has the shiny purple. The shiny purple aglet, which looks pretty nice. Doesn't look that well on the camera, but it's like a purple chrome. Looks sick. I think I might throw those on because I like that. I like the metal aglet on there. Actually, let me see when the dates were on this shoe. Oh, but I forgot to show the inside of the shoe. There's inside has that bright purple sock liner, and on the back it is that teal in the leather, and then purple embroidered Nike on there. Looks pretty sweet. And then also I forgot to point out on the Nike swooshes, you can see the purple outline around those Nike swooshes. That's a nice touch. If you look at it straight on, it looks black, but when you turn it to the side, oh, let me get it. It's hard to do this backwards, sorry. But you can see those purple little details on the swoosh. I like that. It's a good look there. It's a good touch. But yeah. Did you guys pick this pair up? I know a lot of people were looking forward to these. These are on a lot of people's lists this year. I know the next drop that's set to release at the end of this month, I believe it's on the 28th. And it is the Biscuits and Brew Nike SB. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really sure if I'm going to get those. I'm not really too crazy on those. I seen them, not really my style. I mean, I don't know, I'm hoping that they'll go under retail. Maybe I could try to get them under retail if anything, but they're supposed to be a quick strike, so I don't know. We'll see. I guess I'll kind of stay tuned and see what it looks like, but for the most part, other than that, I don't really know what else is coming out next. I know the Thai food or something like that, those are supposed to come out, but they haven't set a date yet. The Blue Tiles SBs are supposed to come out, but that's probably later on, maybe summertime, from what I think I was seeing. And there's like another couple GRs that I've seen. I like the GR that's gonna come out next. I forgot the name of it. It's like a raisin or some color. It's a pretty nice one. So I'll probably be trying to figure out what my next pickup is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this video short. It's already kind of getting long, so I want to get this video uploaded, edited, and all that stuff. But if you guys could help me out with support, by liking, subscribing, commenting, all that stuff helps me out. It's been a little slow lately, so it's been kind of hard to pump out the content. So I don't know, I might try to get into maybe like some sneaker news updates on SBs. There's not really anybody that does SB updates. I mean, there is a couple, but it's kind of like sporadic. So, and I see the stuff like almost every day on my Instagram, so I feel like I could get a lot of that stuff off my Instagram and maybe make some videos and update everybody. But with that being said, I'm going to cut this short so I can get this video uploaded on YouTube by tonight. But yeah, for those who've been watching, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. But I will be seeing you on the next video, hopefully soon. But other than that, I will see you later. Alrighty, peace.